Music has a unique power to touch our souls and transport us to another time and place. One instrument that has captured the hearts of musicians for decades is the guitar. While modern guitars offer incredible sound and versatility, there is something truly special about vintage guitars that can't be replicated. In this article, we will explore 5 vintage guitars that have stood the test of time, each possessing its own timeless magic. The Gibson Les Paul Standard. The Gibson Les Paul Standard is an iconic guitar that has been played by some of the greatest rock legends in history. With its rich tone and sustain, it delivers an unparalleled playing experience. Whether you're strumming chords or shredding solos, this vintage beauty will make your heart sing with every note. The Fender Stratocaster. No list of vintage guitars would be complete without mentioning the Fender Stratocaster. This legendary instrument revolutionized electric guitar design when it was introduced in 1954. Its distinctive double cutaway body shape and versatile pickup configuration make it a favorite among blues, rock, and jazz guitarists alike. The Martin D28. For acoustic enthusiasts, few guitars can match the warmth and resonance of a vintage Martin D28 Dreadnought acoustic guitar. Crafted with meticulous attention to detail using premium tone woods like Sitka spruce for the top and Indian rosewood for the back and sides, this instrument produces a rich tone with exceptional projection. The Rickenbacker 360/12. If you're a fan of jangly 12-string sounds reminiscent of bands like the Byrds or Tom Petty and the Heartbreakers, then look no further than the Rickenbacker 360/12 electric guitar. Its unique semi-hollow body design and distinctive Rick-O sound, stereo output create a shimmering, chime-like tone that will transport you back to the golden era of rock and roll. The Gibson ES 335. Combining the best of both worlds. The Gibson ES 335 is a semi-hollow body electric guitar that offers the warmth and resonance of an acoustic with the versatility and sustain of an electric. With its iconic shape and smooth playability, this vintage gem has been used by legendary artists in various genres, from blues to jazz to rock. Conclusion. Vintage guitars possess a certain allure that transcends time. From their unique craftsmanship to their rich tones, these instruments have become cherished artifacts in the world of music. Whether you're a professional musician or an avid collector, owning one of these vintage guitars can unlock a timeless magic that will make your heart sing every time you pick it up. So why should you consider investing in a vintage guitar? Firstly, they offer unparalleled sound quality and character that simply cannot be replicated by modern instruments. Each scratch on their weathered bodies tells a story and adds to their charm. Secondly, owning a piece of musical history allows you to connect with past generations of musicians who have played these very same instruments on stages around the world. It's like holding onto a tangible piece of nostalgia. Thirdly, vintage guitars tend to appreciate in value over time if well maintained. So not only do they provide endless joy as musical companions but also serve as potential investments for future generations. In summary, unlock timeless magic with vintage guitars. The Gibson Les Paul Standard, rock legend's choice. The Fender Stratocaster, revolutionizing electric guitar design. The Martin D28, acoustic beauty with exceptional projection. The Rickenbacker 360/12, jangly 12-string sounds personified. The Gibson ES 335, bridging the gap between acoustic and electric. In conclusion, vintage guitars offer a unique experience that modern instruments simply cannot replicate. Their timeless magic, rich tones, and historical significance make them a valuable addition to any musician's collection. Whether you're searching for inspiration or seeking to invest in a piece of musical history, these 5 vintage guitars will undoubtedly make your heart sing with their irresistible charm and soulful melodies.